Hi everyone, my name is Miss KM. Welcome to my video and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be solving math equations. So these math equations might look tough for others, for other people even a bit easy. But when similar sums like these appeared in the exam, I struggled. So my friend helped me for extra math classes at church. So let's tackle them. So first of all, as you can see, let me just move here. You can see that it's 8 to the power of 2x all divided by 16 to the power of 2x minus 1 is equal to 1. So basically you ask yourself, which number goes into 8 3 times? Not twice, because this is now division. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my calculator. I'm just going to type in 8 equal sign, shift, and you must see this fact and B. Press it, it's going to give me 2 to the power of 3. So 2 to the power of 3, open, close bracket, 2x, all divided by, now for this one it's 16. So basically what you can do here is you type in 16, similar to the one we did before, cosine, shift, fact B, 2 to the power 4. So 2 to the power 4, this, to x minus 1 is equal to 1. So I put bracket so that we can avoid confusion, but if you don't want bracket, then it's up to you. So you need to now add in your exponent rules. Okay, your exponent rules. So you work what's in the bracket. So 3 multiplied by 2 is going to give me 6, not 5. It's multiplication. So 2 to the power of 6x, all divided by 2. So 4 multiplied by 2x is going to give what? 8x. 4 multiplied by negative 1 is going to give me what? Negative 4 equal to 1. Now you can do your other exponent rule where you, let me show you this, guys, so that you guys don't get confused. I'm sure this appeared in majority of other people's textbook, like even textbook, they should have this. So this in over here is your exponent, your base, and your power. Okay, so basically you're gonna now say 2 to the power of 6x. Because this is positive, you're gonna say minus 8x. Now this is negative, you're gonna say minus 4 is equal to 1. Now before you make the bases the same, what you're going to do is you're going to be left with 6 minus 8 is going to give me negative 2x. Negative and negative is going to give me a positive, so you're going to say plus 4 is equal to 1. Now you guys can say, oh, this looks familiar. Now anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. 3 to the power of 0, 1. 4 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. 5 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Even 1,000 or 1,000,000 equal to the power of 0 is equal to 1. I'll prove it to you. Let's say maybe 5,000, let's say that. Power of 0, so 1. 60, like that. power of 0 is equal to what? 1. So anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So basically what you're going to do, equal sign. Teachers love equal sign so much. So let's just put it down for them. So you're going to let this remain the same. Now 2 to the power of 0. Remember, anything to the power of 0 is equal to what? 1. That's say. So you sketch that out. You sketch it out because they are now like bases. So negative 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now over here we formed an equation. So what you do now is you're gonna say negative 2x equal to 0. So you're keeping this side. Opposite of addition is subtraction. Opposite of multiplication is division. So when you want to bring a sign to a opposite side, you bring the opposite of that sign. So you're going to say minus 4. So negative 2x. Negative 4 here. You want the x to be positive and alone. So you divide it by negative 2 divided by negative 2. So your x is going to be equal to what? Plus 2. Now, as you can see here, your answer is x is equal to 2. So let's type that all in our calculator to see if that is actually equal to 1. So I'm going to say 8 to the power of, since our value is 2, multiplied by 2. Right? Okay, wait, let me just do this. 8 to the power of what? 2 multiplied by 2. And then 16 power 2 multiply, by 2 minus 1 is equal to, voila. Okay, let's go on to this next sum. Now this one. 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 12. So first of all, like as you see here, what I say, you break them up so that you can make your life so much easier. So what you can do here is that you say 3 to the power of x plus, so you just leave this one the same and you're just going to say 3 to the power of x, 3 to the power of negative 1. I broke these two up. I broke this into this. So now you can see that now you think of factorization. Now I'm sure you're asking yourself, how can factorization? Isn't factorization only for just letters? It can be for both. Don't you worry. So basically, 3x is my common factor. Why do I say that? I'm sure you're thinking, if this is equal, if 3x is our 3 to the power of x is our common factor, but 3 to the power of 1. Now you see, anything that is outside a bracket like this, when it comes to factorization, when a letter or any variable or anything that you find common, like your common factor, it's out of a bracket like this, this is always your denominator. So I'm going to show you. 3 to the power of x, right? So let's say 3 to the power of x divided by 3 to the power of x. I'm just going to put an imaginary one here. It's going to give me 1. So you say 1. Okay, leave your plus sign there. It's not going to change anything because it's from this. Okay. Now, 3 to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of negative 1. Okay, now these two and these two cancel. So you're going to say 3 to the power of what? Negative 1. Now 3 to the power of x is still the denominator. So, well, still the common factor. So you leave the common factor on its own. Now, I guarantee you that when you can type this on your calculator, you can type this on your calculators. Not gonna change anything. You can put bracket or not put bracket. It's still the same answer. So 1 plus 3 to the power of -1. It's gonna be 4 over 3. Bracket without bracket in a calculator will still give you the same answer. 4 over 3. Right? Now, these two are multiplying, if you didn't know. When a bracket and something else are together without any sign, it means that it's multiplication. Always remember that. So, don't think of multiplying these two. No. This 12, right, it needs a partner. This 3 to the power of x already had so much partners already, and now it's tired. So you need to give someone else a chance. So 3 to the power of x equals to 12 divided by 4 over 3. Let me just show you everything here. Now anything on its own, even if you divide by 1, it's still going to give you the same answer. So 3 to the power of x. Now you're going to get something. So 12 divided by 4 over 3 is 9. Anything divided by 1 is still going to give you the same answer. So if I say 12 divided by 1 and then divide over 3, still same answer, so don't stress, it's okay. Okay, there we go. Now you can make the bases the same. Okay, cancel, x is equal to what? 2. Now since we have, now x is also equal to 2 and this other sum, now let's punch it in. So 3 to the power of 2 plus 3 power of 2 minus 1 is equal to what? 12. Let's go to the next one. If you guys can't see this, let me just show you. So this is 7 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 49. This is simple and quick. It's similar to this one. It's similar. So what you do here, you keep the 7. It doesn't change anything. Which number goes into 7, or which number goes into 49? 7. How many times? Twice. Let's see. 7 multiplied by 7, 49. So you're going to say 7 to the power of 2, cancel that. So you formed an equation, x minus 1 is equal to what? 2. X is equal to what? So you keep the 2, opposite of addition, subtraction, opposite of multiplication, division. So opposite of minus, plus. Add that, x is equal to 3. Let's see if that's true. 7 to the power of 3 minus 1 is 2, but some people need more proof. Voila. And there it is. Let's go move on to the next one. Okay. Now people think that this is a big problem, a big wahala. Now, so you see this one is multiplication. Opposite of multiplication is division. You want this 3x to be by itself. And if you do this, the calculator won't understand if you do this. A dot. So let's say a dot is there. You see, if you now put multiplication, they will then understand. But this calculator thinks that the dot is a decimal. So of course it's not going to give you, what you want. So what you're going to do is you want to get rid of this. So when you get rid of the 4, you divide it by itself, and you also do the same. Okay, so now you cancel this, you cancel this. Your 3 to the power of x is now left on its own. So 108, sorry, 108 divided by 4, it's going to give me what? 27. So 3 to the power of x, 3 to the power of 3, cancel, cancel, cancel. X is going to give you 3. Let's check. So 4 multiply, not decimal, multiply, because remember calculator thing that the dot is a decimal, not a multiplication. So 4 multiplied by 3 to the power of what? 3. 108. Sorry, there's a line here. Okay, so 3 to the power of 3 is going to give me 27. So if I say 4 multiplied by 27, it's going to give me 108. Okay, guys, I'm just going to show you everything here. X is equal to 2. Show the sum. Move on there, and move there. You see, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2, as you can see for the first and second sum, and x is equal to 3, and x is equal to 3. You see, it's not that hard. It's actually easy when you apply your laws and your factorization. It all comes to play its part. You see, whenever you learn math, you need to apply what you've learned so that you'll be able to solve any sum. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you've all enjoyed it, because I did. And you see, math is not that actually hard. Pure math is not actually that hard. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more notifications. And leave a comment down below. Thank you guys, and ta-ta. See you later.